Salutations and a very good morning. I beg to the organization. I'm Desmond Eun, the team leader of this project. As access to clean, potable water increasingly arises as one of the most concerning issues worldwide, the need for a solution now becomes more than just an urge, as the butterfly effect it brings to humankind is simply disastrous. Just imagine countless whispers of "I'm in pain" right to your ears, but sadly to no single avail. Fortunately, it will now be kept at bay for good. Our team is proposing a low-cost water filtration system project named "Every Drop Counts for the Future," where the entire thing can be created with our bare hands from absolute scratch.
Hi, I'm Chai Zhiheng. To put this into perspective, this homemade water filtration system doesn't just function like any other conventional systems out there. It is equipped with the latest graphene oxide filter that is capable of removing 99.9% of pathogens including bacteria, viruses, and heavy metals that may be detrimental to our health from a physical and mental aspect. For instance, just envision yourself with dirt all over your body and you are going through a comprehensive cleaning system that scrubs off every single bit of impurity from you meticulously. As a result, here we have water that is safe to use, but it doesn't end here. What if it tasted salty and brackish? What if it isn't even transparent enough for people to label it as drinkable? This will be further touched upon by my teammate.
We are applying solar desalination to the already filtered source of water to improve its taste and experience as a whole. Here's how it works. Due to the fact that the shape of the filtration system may vary from household to household, thus we propose the invention of solar sheets. They are not just malleable, but also comes in contact with any surface without falling off. While solving the problem of continuous energy supply, silent water can be also be treated into drinkable water through a sustainable technique that harnesses solar energy to remove salts and impurities from seawater or brackish water, making it suitable for drinking and irrigation. This method mimics the natural water cycle, where solar energy drives the evaporation and condensation process that use fresh water. Now a question may arise, why would we need electricity from solar power? If you have already guessed it, this goes to the utilization of IoT, namely Internet of Things, that allows us to monitor the quality of water in real time via mobile alerts. We will be receiving alarming notifications once there is any infiltration of impurities, just like a cockroach invading your clean bathroom.
This project ensures universal and equitable access to safe and affordable drinking water, a core objective of SDG 6. By deploying filtration systems in underserved and off-grid communities, it eliminates reliance on contaminated water source, reducing waterborne disease such as cholera, dysentery, and typhoid. Additionally, the system's sustainability and low maintenance costs make it a practical ideal. By removing pathogens, bacteria, and heavy metals, the system prevents life-threatening illness, lowering child mortality rates, and improving community health outcomes.
Marginalized populations, such as those in urban slums, refugee camps, and remote villages, often face barriers to clean water. This initiative bridges the gap in water access, ensuring that disadvantaged groups are not left behind. By prioritizing affordability and decentralized deployment, the system empowers communities rather than reinforcing dependency on unreliable or expensive water sources. Traditional water purification methods often rely on electricity or fossil fuels, contributing to carbon emissions. In contrast, this system operates entirely on solar energy, minimizing its environmental footprint. Therefore, by promoting renewable energy-based solutions, the project aligns perfectly with global effort to combat climate change while adapting to water scarcity exacerbated by droughts and rising temperatures.
In conclusion, access to clean water is not a privilege. It is a fundamental human right that must never be treated as a luxury. Our project stands as living proof that cutting-edge innovations like solar-powered filtration and graphene oxide technology can definitely revolutionize the way we deliver clean water to those who need it the most. These solutions make one thing abundantly clear, which is when driven by purpose and powered by innovation, clean water becomes not just possible, but inevitable. By harnessing renewable energy, we are not only purifying water, but tackling some of humanity's most pressing challenges, from climate change to the ever-widening divide between wealth and poverty. In doing so, we are not just saving water, but we are saving lives. With solar-powered filtration systems, we have the tools to combat these preventable deaths head on and create healthier futures for vulnerable communities. If we prioritize both investment in sustainable innovation and act with urgency, compassion, and clarity, we can transform small actions into global impact. Our collective efforts, no matter how humble it may seem, hold the power to reshape lives, uplift communities, and redefine what is possible for future generations. That concludes our presentation.